Revolutionizing MOCVD for research and innovation. Meet NanoMaster's PA-MOCVD system. Do you really need to spend millions on an MOCVD system just for research? Struggling to find a high-performance desktop MOCVD solution for your research applications? Introducing NanoMaster's Plasma-Assisted Metal Organic Chemical Vapor Deposition (PA-MOCVD) system, the world's first tabletop PA-MOCVD system designed for cost-effective deposition of gallium nitride GaN, indium gallium nitride, InGaN, aluminum nitride, AlN, and aluminum gallium nitride, AlGaN. Unlike traditional MOCVD systems, this unique plasma-enhanced technology uses nitrogen instead of ammonia, NH3, for nitride growth, eliminating ammonia abatement and reducing hydrogen content in the films. The RF showerhead plasma source enables lower deposition temperatures, 600 degrees Celsius versus 1,100 degrees Celsius, making high-quality thin film deposition possible in a compact, tabletop system. For manufacturing scalability, the system is cluster-compatible, allowing higher throughput production. Key features: 1. Tabletop design with a 10-inch stainless steel chamber. 2. RF plasma source with showerhead gas distribution. 3. 4-inch substrate holder, heated up to 900 degrees Celsius. 4. 5 bubblers with individual heating/cooling baths. 5. Heated gas lines and 250 liter per second turbomolecular pumping package. 6. Ultra-high vacuum, base pressure of 5 by 10 - torr. 7. Fully automated, PC-based, lab view-driven interface. 8. YEMO protection and safety interlocks. Customizable options for your needs. 1. Standalone system or cluster-compatible design. 2. ICP or microwave plasma source. 3. 14-inch electropolished chamber for larger-scale research. 4. 8-inch or 12 substrate holders. 5. Additional bubblers and MFCs. 6. Auto-load/unload feature. Applications: 1. 3-5 semiconductor layers. 2. Blue LEDs and laser diodes. 3. Indium nitride in nanorods for UV-Vis-IR optoelectronics. 4. Molybdenum disulfide MOS2, boron nitride BN, and graphene for 2D and 3D materials. NanoMaster's PA-MOCVD system is designed to empower researchers and innovators with cutting-edge performance at a fraction of the cost. Ready to take your research to the next level? Contact us today at sales@semistarcorp.com or message us at +408 612 1209 or visit our website at www.semistarcorp.com for more information. Appreciate your time. Look forward to hearing from you.